Okay, so I got the old Photoshop open. We want to create a wallpaper for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we'll create new, and I want to do it at 2560 by 1440. Yeah, 72 RGB color, 16-bit white background. Okay, now you can save that as a preset, which I've done here, so make it easy on you. But we'll just create that. And we want to have the layers window open. That's very important because this is the main engine for Photoshop, is having your layers, understanding layers. It's all about layers. So we'll first create a layer, and we'll whack a picture on there. And we'll just move it over here for a sec. Now to finalize that, either tick or press enter. And it's turned it into a smart object, which means it doesn't directly get edited. So we've got that going, and now we'll create another layer. This will be a new fill layer, solid color. Now it doesn't really matter about the color at this stage. And it's created a mask already. And what we want to do is make a circle so she appears here somewhere. We can put it anywhere, but I like it in the upper right left hand corner. So we go to the Marquee, which is selection tool, and we do want the ellipse. So we can press M to get the Marquee happening. And I want, it's normally on normal, believe it or not. And I want a fixed size, because it's too much of a hassle trying to, get that thing on that black. I want it at 300. You can muck around for hours trying to get it at 300. So get rid of that, and you can make it a fixed size. I want 300. I've already put this in. 300 by 300, and you just click anywhere you want. You got it there. And I also, you can move it around. I want it about there. And because I want to add more wallpapers here with other pictures, it's important I keep it in the same position. So I'll just drag down some guides, and they'll snap, so I know where to put the circle next time. And on the mask, I just hit delete. Let's cut a hole. That was pretty good. And to get rid of the marching ants, you press Control D. Okay, now you can see in the mask the black dot. That means that everything that's black will show through on the layer below it. So it's put basically a hole there, and so we can see her face. Now we can move that around a bit just to make it the right size. It's actually snapping a bit, so I'll use my cursors, maybe press shift while you're moving to get it proportional. Now move your picture with the arrow keys. That looks pretty good. Finalise that with either the tick or enter. Golden. And now I like to put like an adjustment layer on the picture. So I'll just image, adjustments. I like to do levels. I don't want to muck around with colour or anything. Just brighten that up a bit. Get the mid-tones brightened. See the difference. It's a bit dull, but that's better. So we'll OK that. That looks pretty good. And we can just export that as a PNG wherever you want. Now say if that's your girlfriend and you've had a pretty bad breakup. You want to change the picture to your new girlfriend, don't you? Of course you do. So you just bin that. Get rid of April. Put in new layer. I've got the picture. Put it there. We can't see it because that's blocking it. So I can just turn that off. Is that little eye there? Move it over a little bit so we can move it through the hole. And there she is there. And once again, we can shift to keep proportions. Move with the cursor key. That's quite nice. So tick or enter, and that's done with your new girlfriend. And once again, file and export just as a PNG, and then we can see how that looks with Jen. Set it as desktop background. Yeah. And of course, you know, you can have as many pictures as you want. I hope you enjoyed that and you learned something, and I'll catch you later. Bye now.